I still remember the smell of my mother's cooking every morning. Even before the sun came up, she would be in the kitchen, making breakfast for all of us. The soft sound of her bangles, the clinking of plates, and the soft hum of a song she loved. These are memories that never leave me. While we were all sleeping, she was working. She never complained. She never said she was tired. She just kept giving. My mother didn't have an easy life. We weren't rich. In fact, some months were harder than others. But somehow, she made it all work. She would smile, even when she had tears in her eyes. She would give us the bigger share of food and eat only what was left. As children, we didn't notice. We thought that's how life was. But now I realize it was her love that kept everything together. I remember one winter when our heater broke, and we couldn't afford to fix it. My mother gave us her warmest blankets and told us she didn't feel cold. Later, I saw her shivering in the corner, wrapped in just a thin shawl. That night, I understood what real love looked like. She was always the first to wake up and the last to sleep. Whether it was sewing clothes for extra income or helping us with homework, she never took a break. Her hands were always busy, cooking, cleaning, comforting. But her heart? Her heart was always with us. There were times she was in pain, both physically and emotionally, but she never let it stop her. I would sometimes hear her cry quietly at night when she thought no one was listening. But in the morning, she would greet us with a smile like nothing had happened. That strength, it still amazes me. She never asked for anything for herself. Birthdays, festivals, even her own health. Everything was second to our needs. I remember once I broke a glass at home and was so scared. I thought she would scold me, but instead she held me close and said, "It's just glass. You are more important." That's the kind of mother she is. Always putting love above everything else. Even now when I go home, she still makes my favorite food, still waits at the door, and still tells me to take care like I'm her little child. She hugs me like she hasn't seen me in years, even if it's just been a week. That hug feels like all the problems in the world disappear for a moment. I owe everything to her. My success, my values, my strength, all come from her. She didn't just teach me how to read or write, but how to be kind, how to forgive, and how to keep going when life gets hard. She taught me that love means sacrifice, and that family comes before everything else. Sometimes I wonder how she managed to do it all. How did she smile through her pain? How did she never give up? And the answer is simple. She's a mother. And mothers are made of something this world cannot explain. When I look at her now, I see wrinkles on her face and silver in her hair. But to me, she is still the most beautiful person I have ever known. Her beauty comes from her heart, from every act of kindness, from every silent prayer she made for us when we didn't even know we needed one. There were times I took her for granted. Times I didn't listen, or spoke rudely, or thought she was being too strict, but today I understand. Every no she said was to protect me. Every tear she shed was out of love. Every sacrifice she made was to give us a better life. If I could go back in time, I would hug her more. I would say thank you more. I would help her more. But I can't go back. What I can do is make sure she knows every single day how much she means to me. I want her to rest now, to relax, to laugh more, to enjoy the little things she missed while raising us, because she deserves the world. And even then, it would not be enough. To every child reading this, never wait to show your mother how much you love her. Don't wait for special days. Every day with her is a gift. Talk to her, hug her, listen to her stories, sit beside her, because one day you'll miss even the scolding. One day her chair might be empty, and you'll wish for one more moment. And if your mother is not with you anymore, close your eyes and feel her love. It never leaves. It stays in your heart, guiding you, protecting you.